Tell me what your secrets whisper in my ear. Every thought you're thinking, I promise I'll be near. You're the reason I believe in the brighter day. You're the melody that's playing in my heart's array. Rummage through the aisles of other people's past, dusty dreams and treasures, memories. Found a tape marked with a name I don't know. Play it loud, let it echo, watch it steal the show. It's a thrift store groove, the sound of lives colliding. Every note from the depths of time, it's hiding. Hear the crackle, hear the hiss, like a secret untold. Thrift store cassette where stories unfold. Plastic case is cracked, but the magic's still there. Melodies wrapped in a stranger's care. Rewind, rewind back through the years, to heartbeats, laughter, to joy and tears. The radio's rusted, but it sings just fine. The tape deck's a portal, it bends the time. Press play and walking through lives on repeat. A bargain bin treasure that sweeps me off my feet. It's a thrift store groove, the sound of lives colliding. Every note from the depths of time, it's hiding. Hear the crackle, hear the hiss, like a secret untold. Thrift store cassette where stories unfold. Voices long gone, but they reach my ears today. They don't know they're serenading as I press play. Layers shadows danced and time would cheat. The clock stood still. The air was sweet. Every word, it felt like rain, soft and warm, but leaves a stain. Oh, love, it's an endless road. No map, no signs, no heavy load. Oh, love, it's where we collide. Two hearts, no place to hide. Your laugh, it cuts like glass and wine, sharp and bright, but so divine. A broken melody, yet it's mine. Every touch, it burned like fire, a fleeting ache of fierce desire. Love, it's an endless road. No map, no signs, no heavy load. Oh, love, it's where we collide. Two hearts, no place to hide.